we are going to have the session on the RAP, that is RESTful application, okay, in ABAP. So I'm sharing my screen and just let me acknowledge once it is visible. Okay, everyone. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ABAP RESTful application we are going to understand today. Okay, step by step. First of all, what is the requirement of it? Before that, what is the definition of it and how we are going to create the one? Okay. So, learning objective today, you'll learn about that what is RAP. Okay, that is RESTful application. What does RESTful mean? Okay, and how to use RAP in ABAP. You may know about RAP, right? And what are the prerequisites for using RAP in ABAP? Okay, so can anyone tell me what do mean by RAP? Just forget about ABAP. Just let me know what is RAP. RAP. Anyone? No one? What?
RESTful ABAP programming model.
No, I'm not talking about the ABAP. That I will let you know. You just need to tell me what do you mean by RAP. RESTful application. What do you mean by RESTful application? Okay. So
ETL.
basically, yes. Anyone wants to add something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So REST means representational state transfer. Okay. So what RESTful application in ABAP exactly means is it's an ABAP program or service which will allow the other systems, like if we talk about other system is nothing but your web app, mobile or other servers to communicate with the SAP using HTTP. Okay, so basically what I need to do is I want to create a table in ABAP, okay, and then I want the other system like web application or mobile applications to communicate with that particular table, and that too with HTTP. Okay, so that is the purpose over here. Okay, and for that, what we need to do is we need to create the RAP model in ABAP. Okay, now, so in simple terms, if I tell you, ABAP system will send and receive the data over internet using the URLs. Okay, so we need to first create the table and then we need to perform all these steps until it turns into the URL. And we are going to use the methods like get, post, put, or delete. Okay. So what I want is my ABAP system send and receive the data over the internet using the URL. And for that, what I have to use is RESTful application, right? Okay. So what does the RESTful mean now? So RESTful service uses the methods like get, that is read data, post, that is create data, put or patch, that is update data, delete the data. Okay, it will exchange the data in JSON or XML, and it is stateless. That means each and every request is independent. Okay, send and receive. Okay, request means whatever the request that is send and receive is independent. Okay. And the prerequisites we already are having, that is ADT tools in SAP. That is in our Eclipse, we already have installed ADT, right? And we already have ABAP system with RAP enabled. Okay, so these are the prerequisites which we already have. Now I want all of you to open your Eclipse and then just log on to the ADT. Okay, that you just finished that process of copying the service key and all. And I will ask any one of you to just share your screen once you are doing the practicals. Okay. But before that, we will go through the different layers of RESTful services. But you, all of you, just open your Eclipse and perform that particular procedure of log on to ADT. Okay, that is open the browser and all. Okay, for that you need to extract the key, and I hope everyone knows how to extract the service key, right? Yes or no? This is the very first step that we do. Everyone, are you getting? Shall I take the names? Akshara Jadhav, Anjali Tripathi, Diya, Shrisha, Tejas, Rekha. Priyank, why you have shared your screen? All of you are opening your Eclipse, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Opened, ma'am.
Okay. And all of you are done with that log on to ADT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we will understand that is what are the steps that we need to perform while creating RAP. Okay. So very first step is I need to have the database table. Okay. I need to have what? Database table. So I know that all of you know that how to create the table. Okay. But then also I'll go through the step. Okay. But only you have to perform today. Okay. So first of all, we will create the database table. The purpose of that particular thing is that creating table is to store the data, right? To store the data. Okay. Now the next thing is we are going to create the CDS, that is Core Data Service Interface View. Okay. And it is known as the Business Object Core. The reason to create the CDS interface view is the RAP directly do not work on the database table. They work on the CDS interface view. So the second step is we need to create the core data service, that is CDS interface view. Okay. The next step is we need to create the behavior definition. Okay. So as I have mentioned, the behavior definition will allow us or yes, will let us know that which operations are allowed. That is CURD operation, create, update, delete, right? So these all read data. So these all operations are allowed. So that is going to be done by behavior definition. So we need to then create behavior definition. The next one is the projection view. Okay. So the projection view, you can see I have returned that it's a consumption view. So consumption by whom? That is by the user. Okay. So what the user should see? Okay. What should be exposed to the user? So that we are going to define in the projection view. Okay. Then because not everything is exposed to the user, right? We do not expose the structure of the table to the user. We just expose the data of the table to the user, right? So that is projection view. Then service definition. So which entities are the part of the service is going to be defined in the service definition. Okay. And then last one is the service binding. So these will actually make the real URL. And after this URL, you will be able to see the UI, SAP UI, SAP Fiori type UI. Okay. Where your table data are going to be there on your screen. Okay. So via URL, we need to after using service binding, we need to create the URL. That means the URL is going to be created, right? And then you'll be able to see the data. And then you can perform the different operations over there only. That is only the user and the front end, or you can say user interface. Okay. Got it? The layers of RAP? Everyone? First of all, we need to make the database table that we already know how to make. Then also I'll explain you. We need to insert the data on that in that table. That is the very first thing, right? Because without data, what we are going to do, right? So database table to store the data. As I told you, RAP doesn't work on directly database tables. We need the views, okay? If you have done SQL, that is database, if you have done DBMS subject, okay, you must know that we used to create the logical view of the table rather than having the operations on the actual table. Okay, whenever we perform the join operations and everything, right? The table, the data that we are getting as a result are the view, logical views. They are not the real tables. The table data are not actually changed. Okay, they are not actually modified, right? But the thing, the result that we are having, the whatever we are looking in our screen is the logical view of the table, right? So RAP also works on the same concept. So it uses the views. And how we are going to create the view? That is core data services interface view. Okay. So we are going to create the CDS for that. Okay. That is data definition. So we are going to create the data definition, then behavior, so that we can let the user to either add, create, update, or delete the data. Then the projection, that is what user can see, that is exposed. Then service definition, which entities are the part of the service. And last, we need to make all of this thing combined, that is service binding, and we'll make it as a URL to access it on the browser using the SAP Fiori UI. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next step. So this is the detailed step-by-step explanation. The example that I have used over here is the student example. Okay. So first of all, we need to create as the table, right? So how we create the table? We are just going to use the yes. Okay, all of you should have a different package for this. Okay, I will suggest you to have the different package. Okay, so here you need to go to this particular project bar, then new, and then you will be having the ABAP package. Okay, you just select the ABAP package. Okay, in that ABAP package, what you have to do is here I have used my ABAP ZABAP my package 2. Okay, and here you need to click on the this, then new, and you need to create the other ABAP repository object, and you just type over here database table. Just create this one and then next. And then you have to give the name of the table and the description of the table. Just do this many things right now. I have taken the data of student ID, name and marks. You can also take the same. Okay, just give the proper names. Okay, and once done, copy and paste your output in the chat box. I hope everyone is doing this.
Can you tell that again? I will do and
Okay, so you just need to click on the package. Okay, have you created the package?
no, ma'am.
Okay, is this project explorer is there on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Just click on that. Yours will
Okay.
be TRL, trial version. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
mine is the license version. That's why I have done over there. It is okay. You can just click on this and then just go to new and then ABAP package.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. I will do it.
Okay.
Ma'am, what name I have to do give to that ABAP package?
ABAP package, you can give any name. I have given like this. Z ABAP my package 1. No space. If you want to use, you can use underscore. You
Okay,
can give
ma'am.
the same name also. I already have created the package 1. So that's why I have created package 2.
Yes, ma'am. I will do it.
Okay. Other students are also requested to perform with me. Otherwise, you may get the difficulty afterwards. Done, Pawan?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is asking software components, ma'am.
Yes, so you need to select Z local. Z whatever it, I mean, in my it was Z web package. That's why I have selected that one. So according to that, you have to select. Just select Z local if it is available.
Ma'am, can I screen share you?
Yes, yes, you can share the screen.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, yes, just select. Yes, okay.
I selected Z local. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay. Yes, yes. Let's just check if it is getting some error or not. Just next, next. Okay, just go
Yeah.
to back. Just cancel it out and do the process again.
Ma'am, I need to select this super package. Is it leave it?
No, no, just leave it and just click on the add to favorite packages.
Okay, add it, ma'am.
Next, just type ZABAP, browse. Is it allowing you to choose the one? Because mine is the license version, so that's why it was allowing me. Okay, no. Okay, just cancel this out. You already have a package.
Yes, ma'am. I have one packages. One Z
Okay.
local, power 9912.
Okay, okay. So just click on the package.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, new,
Mm.
other repository object, and then type database table. Yes. Next, just give it the name. Uh, no, we are giving the name to the table. So give proper name.
What can you
Student, Z
student? Okay.
student, Z student may be there. So what you can do is Z student, just give your initial. Okay, that is okay. 991. That is okay. Yes. This is a student data table. As just write down the description.
Can I press next, ma'am?
Yes.
Finish.
Finish.
It will show.
Okay. Now I want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
have the two values only with name and marks I want to have, right? So I'm just copying and pasting the uh, what you have to paste in that particular student table that I'm giving you. Okay, just paste it over there. So in the chat, I'm writing. Okay, just paste it in the curly braces.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. In this place, ma'am.
Just a second. I was seeing this. Just a second, huh, Pawan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, okay. Now I'm giving you the data. I mean the code to insert the data in this table, right? So we are ready
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
structure, okay? But then we should have the data inside the table, yes? So that we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
work on it. So I'm pasting the data, I mean code for global class. So you just go to the package and create the, no, right now you don't need to do anything with this. Just go to Eclipse and
Yes, ma'am.
right click on package. Yes, and create new ABAP class. Everyone, please perform these steps. If you already are having package, you can directly create the table inside that and then the code I have pasted that you have to do. Okay.
Ma'am, you are seeing my screen.
Yes, yes. What you have just selected.
I typed this name and description. I'm adding the interference.
Uh,
No needed.
no, you don't need to add the interfaces. Just a
Okay.
description. Okay, next. Uh, yes,
Finish, ma'am.
yes, finish. Okay. So now your name of the class is Z local student database, right? Now
Yes.
you need to remember your table name, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
One. My name of the table is Z student 3, right? So according to you have to copy and paste your table name. Just copy and paste this. See, in interfaces, you just need to write this.
Ma'am, first I'm
Not
copying.
whole code you need to copy. I'll tell you from where to where you need to copy. Just
Yes, ma'am.
select. Yes, just go to the class definition and in public section you need to paste interfaces OOADT class run, the single line.
Wait, ma'am.
Yes,
Here,
after public section, only select the single line interfaces interface OOADT class run.
this one.
No,
These
no,
all,
no.
ma'am. Ma'am, this is a definition. Definition, public,
Yes,
final,
just go to the
create
public
table.
section, the fourth line. Yes, after that, public section, public section.
Yes, ma'am. Public.
No, okay, chalo, public. Just copy and paste from public to private section.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And just paste it in your class.
Here, ma'am.
Yes, from public to private, just delete it. Hmm. No, you have done it in a wrong way.
Ma'am, wait.
Just delete the presented one and then paste the whole code.
I want to delete this whole thing,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes, all.
Yes, ma'am. I deleted, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Now,
yes, ma'am.
between class and end class, whatever I have written, just copy and paste. Just go, yes. Yes, from method, yes. Just copy and paste it in your code. Give one enter, yes. Okay. Now wherever the Z student 3 is mentioned, you have to write what?
My class
Your,
name.
yes, your class name. Just delete that particular line where class ZF student data insert. Just delete that particular line. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
delete it. Okay. Now, yes, now replace the Z student 3 with your table name. Yours is Z student underscore 9912.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is doing, I hope everyone is doing this. Okay. Now copy that.
Ma'am, it's showing error.
The name is correct, right?
Yes, ma'am. Z student
Mm.
at the rate. Here only, ma'am, the table is.
Yes, yes. Have you copied it correctly? Z student 9912. The code, I mean. Method, have you
Yes, ma'am.
written method interface main? Just go to the class. Just go to the class. Class.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the name, ma'am. This is the name.
What error it is showing? Just can you just click on that checkpoint? Okay, we haven't activated yet table. That's why. That is
Yes.
okay. We will do it. We will do it. Just go to the below code and paste the name of the table wherever it is Z student 3.
Okay.
Just copy and paste the name.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just go to that table definition
Table
and
definition.
activate it.
Okay. This table.
Yes. Control A, Control S, Control F2, Control F3. Yes.
Control
Activate.
A. Ma'am.
Okay,
Control
okay.
A.
That is okay. You just did it. F3 is okay. Yes. Control F3. Okay. Now go to the class.
Contain noise. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And execute the program now.
But it's still showing error. It will be executed or not?
Just Control A. Let us see. Control S.
I need to see.
Control A, Control S, Control
Yes.
F2,
Control F2.
Control F3,
Control F3. Yes, ma'am.
F9, F9.
Control F9, ma'am.
No, only F9.
F9. Okay, ma'am.
So 5 students' records are inserted successfully. You can see on your console.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes. Okay. Now, what we need to do next is you just go to that particular table,
Yes, ma'am.
not definition, table. Just click on the open table view. Just right click on that and open table view.
Open table.
Open with. Go to open with. Below.
Okay, ma'am. Open with.
Data preview.
It's showing two options. Which one, ma'am?
Whatever,
First.
whatever.
Okay, first one I'm selecting. Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Okay, so the data are inserted now. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is a table, everyone, that we have created, right? The very first step, only first step we have performed right now. Okay, that creating the data table. Okay, but as I told you that RAP is not going to work on the table directly. Okay, database directly. So we need what? Second step, CDS, right? So now next we are going to create the data definition. Okay, so Pawan, I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, and I will
Yes.
let you know that how to do the things, and then you perform the same for us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So the second step, that is create the CDS interface view, right? So these we have performed, right? Now create the data definition. So see, what I have to do is I just need to click on my package, okay? And then I need to search for data definition, okay? And then click on that and just give next. Whenever we are going to give the name of the data definition, what you have to do is, this is the naming convention which we are using for it. Okay, start with ZI. Okay, you start it what? ZI. See, you can see over here I have given the name ZI. See, ZI student 1. Okay, then we need to write our table name as select from where? Z student new. My name of the table was Z student new. So according to that, you have to write. Okay, only these many things you have to perform now. Clear? Pawan, will you be able to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just perform it for us. Share your screen.
Ma'am, I need to choose my package.
No, yes, your package and then other ABAP repository
Yes, ma'am.
object and in search data definition, type data definition. Yes, you'll get the fourth option. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. ZI, ma'am.
Yes, ZI. ZI, yes. Then you can give your yes student table name.
Yes, yes,
You
ma'am.
can write over here CDS, CDS or CDS interface for student
CD,
data. S,
AF,
that is
ma'am.
core data service.
CD
CDS
is
only, S,
CDS.
not A, yes, S for student data. That is, we are creating now CDS interface, okay? Okay, now next.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, finish. Okay, okay, now I'm giving you the code. You just need to copy and paste it. So don't only copy and paste. I will let you know how to do. Just go to your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you just need to write define, then root view instead of no on the first line. Yes. No, not over there.
Here,
Define
ma'am.
view. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
would need to add one. We need to make this as a root to CDS. Okay. So instead of define view, we need to write define root view. Just add one word in between them. Root. Yes, view. Okay. ZI student data is your name of the CDS interface. S select star from S select from your data source name. So your name is data source name is what? Your table name is what? Z student underscore 9912. Right? Am I
Yes,
correct,
ma'am.
Pawan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
in that I given the in capital words. Here I'm typing small. Is
That
it
is okay.
okay?
That is okay. Yes, yes, that is
Okay.
okay. Now just if you have given the same attribute name as here, mentioned over here, you just copy and paste from the chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we need to give the SQL view name, right? So there you have to give the name like this. I have given like this, you can give ZIV, that is interface view, and then student new 3 is my table name. So you need to give accordingly.
In next line, ma'am.
No, the first one. The very first one, you can see there we are having red mark.
Ah,
In
yes, yes.
double inverted comma, you need to give that name. Yes, just paste the name.
It is your one, so I need to give my
Yeah.
one.
You can give this name also, but let us give your table name so that ZIV, then your table name. Student
Yes, ma'am.
9912. Okay.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, it is okay. Now we have to activate this also. Okay, so just
Yes.
activate this. Control A, Control S, Control F2, Control F3, F8.
Control F8 or only F8, ma'am?
Only F8. So this means now our data is ready to post to the browser. Okay. So 3 steps we have performed till now: creating the table, creating the data definition, and now we have activated it. Okay. So your data should, if you have activated it properly, you should be uh, able to see this data in a interface view. Okay. This is your view. These are not your table, actual table. This is your view data. Am I correct? Am I clear to everyone? Only one student is performing or everyone else is also performing? All of you should get this as your second step is performed. Once your second step is performed, you just need to have this as your on your screen. Everyone getting this as your output? Yes or no? Okay, Pawan, I'm sharing my screen for the next steps. Okay,
Okay,
now
ma'am.
next is, yes. So now next is we need to create the behavior definition. Okay, now let us just go to the previous slides. Okay, that what was the purpose of having the behavior definition? So behavior definition, we are going to mention that what operations are allowed. That is CURD operations, right? So we have done with the second step. Now we are going to do the behavior definition. So what you have to do is you can just click on the right click on your CDS interface that we just have created, and then you'll be able to create new behavior definition. Okay, so you will be able to see this kind of thing, and in description you just need to write what CDS interface view. Okay, so that is our third step. So you can see over here that the purpose is to define the operations which are allowed. That is CURD operation. We should be able to add, update, delete the student record. Okay, so what we need to do is we can just right click on the data definition and create the behavior definition. Okay, and what you have to paste in behavior definition, that I will let you know in the chat. Okay, so behavior definition can only be created on the root view entity, not a normal entity. Okay, so we already have created the root view entity. If you have seen, I just ask Pawan to have the defined root view instead of defined view. We just change that particular line in the code, right? Okay, so now I'm going to tell you that how, Pawan, you can just share your screen and start performing this. Just right click on the CDS that we have just created and just create the new behavior definition. And I'll let you know that what you have to paste in that.
New map, new view.
Not new view. Have you not views, just core data service. Go to core data service.
Okay.
This view we have created, not this. Just go to core data service, the very first option, just above the
Okay.
dictionary.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Expand it. Expand. Yes. Select. Right click. Create new behavior definition. The sixth or seventh option, you can just above the duplicate.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. New customer data, bro. Is it?
No, no, no. Below that,
New.
new behavior. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next. Next.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Finish. Okay. Now, just a second. I have copy and pasted the another one. I'll let you know the next one that you have to do. Okay. This is done. Don't paste this right now. Okay, Pawan.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
just go to your Eclipse. What you are
Yes, ma'am.
getting. Okay, behavior definition is yes. Okay. Now the next step. Again, I'm sharing my screen, and Pawan, you have to perform accordingly. Other students, please pay attention. Okay, so next is to create the projection view. Okay, so now projection view is for what? Behavior we just, you can just see in the code that we have mentioned that what should be allowed. So create, update and delete that I have mentioned, right? Create, update and delete is allowed. Now what should be viewed as a user view? Okay, projection view. What should be the projection view? So what is projection view? It is nothing but the CDS view built on the top of the root CDS. Okay. So that is nothing but the interface view, which is used for UI or data services. Okay. Okay. So you can see it as interface view is a backend logic and projection view is a what user can see. Interface view that we have created like CDS. Okay. That is our backend logic. But projection view is what? What the user can see. Okay. That is the projection view. Okay, now how to create it? So again, what you have to do is you just need to click on the package, click on the ABAP repository, and you just need to again create the core data services data definition. Okay, so here I have performed this step. Just click on the package and then data definition that we have already done, right? Then you just need to click on next. Okay. Yes, so Pawan, you just click on that. And what you have to paste, I have already pasted in the chat box. You need to give it name as ZC, okay? Pawan, sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not Z underscore C, ZC.
ZC underscore
ZC underscore your table name, student underscore 9912. Next.
finish, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. You have got this, right? No, you should have got this.
So, okay, okay, sorry.
Just copy and paste that. You're pasting correctly, right, Pawan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We need to see, just copy and paste this whole. And
Okay, hold everything, ma'am.
yes, your name, because just go to your Eclipse. Just go to your Eclipse.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
ZC student
I'm,
as, yes, that as projection on, that you need to write. As projection on.
ma'am, wait, I'm confused here.
Okay, let me just clear it. See, very first line is what? Define view. So instead of define view, we have to write define root view entity.
Yes, ma'am. Here, root. First, I need to
Ye-
add root.
Root view. Yes.
Root view.
And then entity. After view, you need to write entity. So here our entity is what? Our projection view. That is
Yes,
ZC
ma'am.
student. Okay, that is okay.
Mm.
Now, what you have to write as not select from projection on.
Okay,
Select from,
projection
delete,
on.
select from.
As.
So ZI student 3 is my interface view name, right?
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
your name is ZI underscore student data. Underscore data, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, and just remove all above annotations and
These
copy
all,
and
ma'am.
paste. Yes, delete it and insert what I have inserted.
Here, I need to change it, ma'am, as it is same.
No, that is okay.
Okay.
Okay, now just save it and activate it.
Ma'am, Control A, Control S, and Control F2.
And F3, Control F3.
Control F2, Control F3.
Yes, F3.
Last one, ma'am. Control F, not so only F3 of 8.
No, Control F3. Not F8
Ah,
is required over here. No.
okay, ma'am. Control F3 is over, ma'am.
Over? Okay.
Yes.
Is it giving you any error? No. Okay. Now I'm sharing my screen again and will let you know what you have to do next. So now the next step is create service definition. So here we are going to decide that what services are, group, okay? And what is permitted, right? Which entities are part of the service, that we have to decide. So that can be done by creating service definition. So again, you have to click on the my package, right click on that and just type service definition. And then you'll be giving the name it as UI. Okay, I'll tell you what name you have to give. Okay, so till now what we have. Okay, so I'm having Z student, right, which is my table. Okay, very first thing that we have created. Then I am having the root CDS, that is the data definition that we have created is known as root CDS. Because RAP is not going to work directly on this, what I have created, this ZI student new, that is my root CDS. Okay, then I have to mention the things what are allowed in this root CDS. So that is being done by using behavior definition. Behavior definition in which I have mentioned that create, update and delete is allowed. Okay, so that is activated. Now, next what we have done, the projection. So what the user can see is done in projection view. Okay, so we perform the projection on this root CDS. We just completed that process. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So these 4 steps are clear to everyone. We are left with only 2 steps now. Okay. So now next we need to do what? We need to create the service definition. So Pawan, now we are going to give the name like this, ZUI, and then whatever your table name is. So just click on the my pack, whatever your package name is, right click on that, go to ABAP repository object and create the service definition.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, data.
Service definition.
Sir,
ZUI underscore student underscore 9912. Okay, data. Okay. Next. Next, finish. Okay. So I will let you know that what you have to write in that service definition. So you just need to, is it looking like this? I'm pasting over here. You just need to change your table name.
table name. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have.
Define
Ma'am, in this, how we can give comments, ma'am?
uh, comments. We can use the double inverted comma. See, sometimes it is working in single inverted comma and sometimes some version is expecting a double inverted comma.
It's not working.
Only open one.
Okay.
Don't close it. Try the double inverted. Only open.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Not working.
not working, ma'am.
Okay,
Use
I'll check and
student.
let you know because I have used this and it was working in me, but I don't know why it is not working in yours. But I'll see and let you know. Okay. For
Ma'am,
now, just delete this.
what I
Expose
need to
your
write?
table name.
हैशटैग से
No,
ट्राई कर लेना हैशटैग से
Yes. Yeah, I will try that. No need. Ma'am, here I need to write my table name, ma'am.
no, projection view name.
Projection view name.
ZC ZC, then what we have given in your case? Just go to data definition.
Data definition. Next
ZC
one.
student underscore 9912.
Yes, ma'am.
So these we are exposing to the user. Okay. This was our projection view, right? That name we have given projection view. So these we are going to exposing to the user. Okay. Now control A, control S, control F2, control F3.
Control F.
Done?
Doing control F.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
डबल फॉरवर्ड स्लैश हो जाएगा मैम शायद से डबल फॉरवर्ड स्लैश
Double forward slash is working. Okay. Just write out, Pawan. If you want to write some comment, try the double forward slash.
Forward slash. No need, ma'am. I will do it after.
Okay. Done. Now just click on the package and let me share my screen. Now I'm explaining each and every step. I mean the till the final step. Okay, you just need to perform.
Double forward slash.
Okay. So last one is the service binding. So what is service binding? So it will convert the service definition to OData service. Okay, it will give the URL to us and will generate the Fiori app preview. Okay. So this may take time in your case. So I'm just going through the steps that I already have performed. Okay. Okay. Now create service binding. For that, what you have to do, just click on the package, new ABAP repository object. Okay. Then just click on the service binding and then next. Okay. Then what you have to do, then this you have to give as a name. ZUI. I have given my table name, that is student new. Whatever your table name is, you can give it there and then underscore bind. This is not compulsory, but these are the naming convention that we are using over here. Okay. So for service binding, we are going to give what? Underscore bind. Okay. Then it will ask you for the type. What is the binding type? So as I told you that we are going to convert it into OData service, right? See, OData service. So what you have to select is OData V4 UI. You have to select from the drop down. Okay. So that you have to do. And then you have to, for service definition, what you have to do is you have to search over here for the service definition that we have created. What name you have given, Pawan, for service definition?
Service definition.
ZUI underscore your table name. Right? So that particular service definition will be visible over here that you need to select and then you need to press OK. Okay. After
Yes,
you
ma'am.
press OK, you will be having this kind of view. Okay. So initially, if you can see over here in this image, okay, let me just make it. Okay. So in this image, if you see, just a second. Mouse is not working properly. Just give me a second, huh? Okay. Can you just, all of you, can you just see that unpublish and publish button in my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for you, it will be
Yes.
unpublished first. Okay. You just need to click on publish. And if it is published properly, if you are getting the same image as mine, as in my screen, okay. So it is done successfully. So your service binding is done successfully. Okay. Yes. Now it, yes. So here you can see. My mouse is actually not working properly. That's why I'm not able to highlight the things. Okay, so after you press on publish, okay, if it is properly successfully done, you'll be able to see the two buttons as my screen is showing you, right? Publish, and then you'll be having unpublished. And then you need to select on just right hand side, you can see ZC student 3. I have chosen the set entity set. Okay, so that particular thing you have to choose. Okay, in your case, Pawan, it will be ZC student data underscore 9912. It will show you this. Just select and then click on the preview. Once you click on the preview, you will be redirected to this particular page, which is our URL have been created, and now we are on the browser. Okay, we are redirected to the browser. Okay, and this is exactly the Fiori element app is. Okay, so whatever, then you'll be asking for the adding the columns, which columns you want to add. So I have added all of the columns, and then you just click on OK. After that, you'll be able to see the data like this. Okay, whatever my name is, my marks is, my primary key, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then easily you can add the filter. You can just see over here, ADAP filter is the uh, mention over here. You just click on that, and then you'll be able to add the filters also. Okay, so you can also use group by. Okay, you just need to click on this standard, and here you'll be having the options. Okay, and then I have performed the group by. Okay, but here, because all of the students are having a single marks, there is no group. I mean, here is possible. So it is mentioning like this, but let us assume that if we are having the student with 90 marks, let's say Maharsh is one of the student is having 90 marks, then we'll be having the two students in the 90 marks group. Okay, so group by you can perform directly. Then you can also have the like conditional formatting thing, that if marks equal to 85, then present the student data. So here you will be able to present the student data. See, so the marks, Amit's marks is 85. So only Amit's data will be presented over here. Okay. Then on clicking over here, right hand side, you'll be able to export the data also. Okay. That is, you'll be having the Excel sheet for the same. So that is all about today's session. So, Pawan, can we just perform quickly all the steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sharing. I'm stopping my screen sharing. Okay, now you perform.
Ma'am, service binding.
Service binding.
Ma'am, name as Z.
Yes.
Ma'am, name you said that
ZUI. ZUI.
UI underscore
Your student, I
student.
mean, your table name underscore bind. Student service binding.
Here I need to give, no?
Yes. Now select binding type. No. There you
No,
don't
no
need
need.
to give. ZUI underscore student
హలో
underscore 9912 underscore bind.
ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఓకే
No. After 9912.
ఎంతసేపట్లో ఫ్రీ అవుతావు ఏం లేదు ఇది శాప్ది అదే ఎక్లిప్స్ దానికి కనెక్ట్ చేసినావు నువ్వు
Yes, ma'am. Binding. Next, ma'am.
Okay, now drop down, select drop down, then OData V4 UI.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then service definition, you can just click on browse
Yes, ma'am.
and type ZUI. Underscore. What's your name? Service definition name was?
Student. Student
underscore
data.
data.
Yes.
Select that one.
Next,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Okay. Now,
Publish.
no, before that we need to activate Control F3.
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
will take some time. Yes, publish. Click on publish.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see in the below, it is in progress. Publishing local service binding is written over there. And it is in process, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It will take some time. And in local service endpoint, you should get publish and then unpublished will be the button. Okay.
Ma'am, I think is it done, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Now you select that entity. Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then click on preview.
Preview. Where, ma'am?
Just besides
Here.
that, yes. No, not there. Just click on
Here.
that entity. Yes. And then on right hand side. Yes. Preview. And you have been redirected to the browser, right? Okay, just go to setting. Mark all the columns.
Yes,
Click on
ma'am.
OK. Just go to the setting again, where that go button goes.
This one, ma'am.
No. Just go to setting again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You should get go button over there. Just click on OK. Just go to the first one.
Where? Here, ma'am. Stand.
No, not that one. The right
Where,
hand
ma'am?
side. Right hand side.
Settings.
No, not settings. Settings is giving only the column options. Yes, click on the first button.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, you ask the takeover. I will give, ma'am. You can take my control, ma'am.
Okay. No, I'm sharing my screen. Let me just show you.
Okay.
Here the go button is there, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
it should be there and then you'll be able to see like this. Right now I was not log on, so that's why it is giving me the error, right? But then after this, you just click on OK and then you just click on the enter and you'll be able to see the data, right? And then okay, so here I have performed the sort by operation. Okay, I'm making it. You can perform the sort by, you can perform the group by also. Right now it is not allowing me, okay, because of communication error, but you will be able to do that. Okay, you can add the filters, right? On which field you want to make the filter, apply the filter, that you can select and just apply. Okay, okay, and then let's see. Yes, it is giving me the communication error, but you'll be able to do that. Okay, here you can have the conditional formatting, equal to, less than, between, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. You can add your value over here and then just click on OK, and it will be allowing you to, let's say, for example, I want to do it for 85. Okay, so you'll be able to do that and then you just click on enter. Again, because of the communication error, I'm not able to do, but you'll get the this particular row as an output. Okay, you can also just click on the export table. Export as is also the option. Okay, so you'll be able to do that. Am I clear? Everyone? All the necessary
Yes, ma'am.
steps we have
Yeah.
performed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I can see go button, ma'am.
Okay, so you just click on that.
See it, ma'am. Is this one only, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Go. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm getting.
Okay, so you can add the filters. You can just click on the adapt filter and then add the filter on the field, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to add the filter on, let's say, marks. Just click on OK. Yes, and you'll be able to, yes, just go to marks. Why it is not showing you the filter button? Yes.
Showing.
Okay. Now you can sort it by ascending, descending order. You can make group by. Okay. So yes, you can see it is in now. Yes. Small to large, large to small. You can make it group by also. Just click on the yes. So now it is high to low, right? Now, yes. Yes. So because all of the students are, I mean, having the different marks. Otherwise, if the 2 or 3 students are having the same marks, it will be in the same group. So we are performing group by directly. Previously, we need to write the whole query for the same, right? That group by where having the some conditions are true, then you'll be able to see the perform the group by. But these all things we are not actually performing on our table. This everything is done by CDS, okay, that we have created very first, that is data definition. Okay, just go to that marks column, I mean the marks part, click over there. No, not there, above that, above that.
Where, ma'am? About students. Marks.
Just above, just below the standard that is written, we are having marks. Yes, click on there. Click on that particular icon which is given in the text box. Click on the particular, yes. Click on that.
Yes, ma'am.
So here the conditional formatting you can give equal to, let's say, 90. Enter 90 and OK.
And go, ma'am. Is it?
Yes, go. So you'll be able to see the student whose name is whose marks are 90. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everyone is clear with the steps now, each and every step, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.